Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram without an account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, I'm going into my Play Store and showing you that Instagram is not installed in my smartphone. So here you can see that. The second step is open any browser and search here Instagram. But once you click on that, you can see that Instagram won't allow you to use Instagram without login in account. So let me show you again. So here you can see that you are unable to use without an account. So let me show you the method. So you need to click here instagram.com slash you need to search for any random profile. So I'm going to open a random profile to show you. So here you can see that I'm able to see photos, but there are also certain limitations. Also I am able to see followers, following, post, videos, anything that I want, but unfortunately you can see that I am unable to comment, and but I am able to share it, and I am unable to like. So this is the process by which you can use Instagram without an account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.